Do you want to know how you can use WhatsApp on your PC or laptop? Great. Me Mr Robo, and today I'm going to show how you can use WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. Before moving forward, you have to know that you cannot activate your WhatsApp from separate number. You can just link your WhatsApp which you are currently using in your phone. Okay, let's get started. So here we go. Open your browser and open this website of WhatsApp. Link is given in description. Then you will get this QR code. This QR code will link your phone's WhatsApp to your PC. Okay, let's scan this QR code from the phone. Open the WhatsApp. Click on top drop down menu. Click WhatsApp web. Scan the QR. See, your WhatsApp is linked to your system. Now you can use WhatsApp from your system, but make sure your internet connection is on from both devices. You can also download application of WhatsApp on your system. Link is also in description. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more amazing techs.